morning, respected HOD and my seminar guide, Professor A.K. Chaturvedi sir, seminar coordinator D.P. Sharma sir, faculty members, examiners and my batchmates. I am Krishna Nagar, pursuing my B.Tech from University Department of Mechanical Engineering, Rajasthan Technical University, Kota. Today, I am pleased to be here in front of you all to deliver the presentation of my seminar topic, Lean Manufacturing. This is the content what I will be presenting you in this topic. Now, what is lean manufacturing? Lean manufacturing is a production process based on an ideology of maximizing productivity while simultaneously minimizing waste within a manufacturing operation. The lean principle sees waste as anything that doesn't add value, a systematic approach to identifying and eliminating waste through continuous improvement by flowing the product at the pull of the customer in pursuit of perfection. Now, we will discuss history of lean manufacturing. The first person who integrated the concept of lean in the manufacturing system was Henry Ford. Lean was first born in USA. Ford production system established in 1913. When we talk about lean, the first name that strikes our mind is Toyota. Lean was first practiced in Japan. Toyota production system is revealed in 1973. Lean has spread worldwide. World-class lean performer developed in the USA in 1990s. Lean increasingly integrated into corporate strategies, manufacturing, education, banking, finance, etc. Now, next slide is key to lean success. First, prepare and motivate people. Second, employee involvement. Third, share information and manage expectation. Identify and empower champions, particularly operation managers. Atmosphere of experimentation. Now we will discuss comparison between traditional and lean manufacturing. A key difference in lean manufacturing is that it is based on the concept that production can and should be driven by real customer demand. In traditional production driven by a sales forecast. For years, manufacturers have created products in anticipation of having a market for them. Operations have traditionally been driven by sales forecast and firms tended to stockpile inventories in case they were needed. Lean organizations are capable of producing high quality products economically in lower volumes and bringing them to market faster than mass producer. Now I talk about principle of lean. Define value, map the value stream, create flow, establish pull, pursue perfection. Benefits of lean manufacturing. Reduce scrap and waste, reduce inventory costs, cross-train employees, reduce cycle time, reduce obsolescence, lower space and facility requirements, high quality and reliability, lower all costs, self-directed work teams, lead time reduction, fast market response, longer machine life. Why does lean manufacturing fail? The most common reason why lean fails is because a manufacturer chooses to quit and return to the comforts of past methods rather than persist through hardship and roadblocks. Despite the enormous popularity of lean, the track record for successful implementation of the methodology is spotty at best. Some recent studies say that failure rates for lean program range between 50% and 95%. To analyze this level of performance from a lean problem-solving perspective, continuous improvement experts should be asking, why do so many companies fail to achieve lean success? Barriers of lean manufacturing. First, lack of resources. Second, lack of expertise. Initial high cost, which includes the cost of resources as well as expertise. Poor supply chain structure. Ineffective training and development of workforce in the company. Absence of continuous assessment of every individual in the organization. Psychological factors such as fear of losing the job on account of its implementation. Here we talk about 7 wastes of lean manufacturing. First, motion. Motion wastage is any movement made that could have been used for another purpose. Next, inventory. This is the waste that is associated with unprocessed inventory. This includes the waste capital tied up in excess stock. Wasted transport used to move the inventory. Waiting. This is any form of waiting that must be done by either staff or machinery to complete tasks. Defects. Defects refers to a product not meeting the specification expected by the customer. Overproduction. Overproduction is the most obvious form of manufacturing waste. Not only does it lead to depleted raw material, but also to wasted storage and excess capital tied up in unused products. Transportation. Transportation is the process of moving something from one place to another. Transportation itself does not add any value to the customer. Overprocessing. Overprocessing lean manufacturing relies on products delivering value to the customer, but not over-engineering any product, any work that doesn't need to be done, shouldn't be done. Now, lean manufacturing cycle. This is often held to be the most difficult aspect of lean management. It is typically explained as a 4-step process. First, plan. Make a plan for an improvement in a process or the elimination of waste. Do. Carry out the plan on a test basis. Check. Monitor the result on a quantitative basis if possible. This step is sometimes called study. Act. Implement or reject the plan based on the results. Now, next slide on case study. In case study, we talk about the company, the product, the challenge, and result. One of the most famous instances in which lean production has been implemented successfully was the luxury car manufacturer Jaguar. Jaguar was faced with the need to compete globally while retaining quality control and driving down costs. By creating a lean production strategy with consultants, the firm streamlined its production process. Conclusion. As a conclusion to this topic, I would like to say that lean can be said as adding value by eliminating waste, being responsive to change, focusing on quality, and enhancing the effectiveness of workforce. Although lean has its origin in the automobile industry, it is being successfully used in other production industries. Lean manufacturing is now extended to fields like IT services, etc. In order to reduce production cost and meet changing customer needs, since lean is completely customer oriented, it is here to stay. It is also important as it emphasizes customer satisfaction. Okay, this is a reference of my topic. Okay, I have completed my topic. Now coming to the very important section of this discussion, which is questions and answers session. Is anyone having any question regarding this topic?
Yes. How is lean different from Six Sigma?
Okay. The main focus of lean manufacturing is on creating flow throughout the process. This means looking at how a product is made from beginning to end and making sure that there is as little waste involved as possible. But Six Sigma may not be focusing on the higher up processes used to create products, but instead want to identify and eliminate defects in the manufacturing process. Is there any other question?
No.
Okay, then I conclude here. I hope you all have enjoyed this session. Thank you and have a good day.